Go dummy, go beast on them. I go beast. Go deep, I OD on them. I OD. Apply pressure, but
welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a little what I eat in a day, and you just watched me make my morning coffee. I've been introducing coffee back just a little bit each day, so I'll just drink like half that or less, but it's super good. I found the oatmeal cookie last night at our Cub Foods, our local grocery store, and it's actually really good. It legit tastes like an oatmeal cookie. Highly recommend it. I'm looking crazy. My self tan is coming off, or my spray tan, and then I just have my water here I'm filling up, and then Jason's actually making us some lunch. It is in the afternoon. I'm finally eating. It's 1 o'clock. My coffee. So, ooh, that light's harsh. It snowed out a lot, but anyways, how cute is this cup? $4.99. the Mongolia brand at Target. You should hit them up. Their cups are super inexpensive and they're really nice. They're only like, I think most of them are only $4.99 or $5.99, so super cheap, and they're like super durable. I really like them. Oh my gosh, look at that. I need to exfoliate. It's all spray tan. Wow. Especially last weekend was Danielle's birthday, which I can insert some pictures and videos. We had so much fun. We went to Mall of America. We went and stayed at the Mystic Lake. I call it Mistake Lake because I would lose, but casino. We lost, of course, but it was still really fun. We had an amazing suite. Our bedroom was like the end corner. It was amazing. Oh my god. Dang, look at our room. Wow. Private toilet. We got the corner suite. Holy shit, babe. Wow. Yeah. How fancy. There's a literal switch for it.
Want me to stop?
Jason, I want to live here.
Okay. This is fucking nice.
It's so nice. And then we shopped and we got some stuff, and it was a really nice time. So now I have to make up for that because we ate Benihana, and to be honest, I just kind of ate like a jack, if you know what I'm saying, like a jerk. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I love doing what I eat in a day, and I love to try to help. I don't eat clean like 100%. I do eat food that I want and that I like. Like today we're gonna have chicken strips, but I'm gonna show you how I fit them into my day. So I need to go grocery shopping tonight, so we have plenty of food for like the next few days, which is nice. So I don't have to worry about that, but it can be a struggle. Like I've been struggling lately. Sorry if my camera is wiggly. Of like dinner time, not knowing what to make for dinner. So that's been a struggle. I cannot stop looking. I gotta get ready. I can't stop looking at my cheeks. I'm sorry, you guys. I will show you guys my lunch here in a little bit. And yeah, so like I said, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. If you're not, give me a thumbs up. I love my what I eat in a days. And then I'm just gonna go throughout the day. I'll probably throw it up on the screen because I'm behind on editing and I want to get some what I eat in a day up for you guys. And so I'm just going to video my food and I'll throw up on the screen all the points, everything. I'm making dinner. I'm not really feeling great. Watching live. Bailey Sarian, if you know who she is. I'm making this, and I'm gonna put a little bit of extra noodles in. Browning some hamburger. So I'll show you guys this when it's done. Hey you guys, it is like 11 at night and I'm very tired. I'm actually going to fill up my water. I want a snack really bad. So what I'm doing is having some pickles. Chips. I could just drink the juice. We're in my kitchen. I just said I was gonna let you guys go, and I decided I wanted a snack. I needed a snack. If you don't like pickles, I don't trust you. Like, how can you not like pickles? Oh my gosh, it is so good. That hit the spot. What's going on? I need new hair ties. My hair ties will not hold up this mammoth of a bun.